Of course, why not? My name is Faizul, and I'm 25 years old. I have a four sisters,
Yeah,
and three sister got married. I have a one sister getting married.
that sounds good. So where are
Mm.
you from?
I'm from India.
India.
I,
Okay, which part of India?
do you know Kolkata?
Kolkata. I'm Bangladeshi, so I know very much Kolkata. So what do you do?
I'm here, bro, food service here, Saudi Arabia. I'm working in hospital.
Hospital. You are serving food.
Yeah. Mhm.
How long have you been there?
Since 2016.
2016. That's been around 4 years.
Yes, 4 years.
That's good.
So may I know what do you do, bro?
Sorry?
Are you student or work? May I know what do you do?
Oh, yeah, definitely. Actually, I'm not a student. I have just completed my graduation, and right now I deal a business. It's mobile and mobile accessories business.
Mm-hmm. Uh, that's great.
And in my family there are fifth members: my parents, my wife,
Mm-hmm.
and my only one younger brother who lives in South Korea.
Oh, so how long have you been learning to speak English?
Actually, in this platform, YouTube, just learning English for 6 months. Not 6 months. It's would be 4 months. But in Bangladesh, we learned English from very little because we
Exactly.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
when we go to school at from it's our first day of school we start learn English, but
Mm-hmm.
that's only for educational sector, or that's only for getting a certificate. We not It's not mandatory for speaking English.
Mm.
Got it?
I got it. I got it. Mm.
So maybe did you come in? Sorry, have you ever been to Bangladesh anytime?
Inshallah. Do you, okay, I have a question, you, bro. May I ask
Definitely,
you
you can
some
ask.
question? Mm.
Sure, why not?
Most of the people learning speak English like me, they have no ideas how to learning speak English, how to talking to others. So could you please suggest ours?
Yeah, definitely. Actually, there are no alternatives to practice English with others people. You can
Mm-hmm.
learn from anywhere, but when you will practice only others people, that time it will be very much effective for you. Without practicing others, you won't be affect you very much. You can learn or you can study a large number of books. You can watch a large number of video in YouTube or others platform that will help you, but it will help you most when you will practice with others people. It can be a native speaker or it cannot be a native speaker. That doesn't matter, but you have to practice must to get fluency. And most probably when someone will speak anything in front of you, that time you have to recognize some of words, some of vocabularies and sentence
Mm-hmm.
construction. So if you follow others, that time you will be benefited from others, and at a time you will be entirely able to use that vocabulary and that sentence construction. I strongly believe
mm,
that it's my personal opinion.
mm. Thank you so much for
It's my
support me.
pleasure.
So,
So, what do you think? What do you think? Do you have any idea how may a learner
you
can
know,
learn English
I,
easily?
mhm. I know many things, but talking time I forget everything. But I don't know why. Talking time, getting afraid. I getting afraid, but I don't know why.
Oh, actually, that's the only reason that you are not used to speak English
Mm,
all
mm,
the day or long time.
mm,
So when you will speak with others people 1, 2, 3 day or 1 week or
mm,
1 month, day by day it will be increased and it will be developed or improve your skill, especially speaking skill. Because in Bengali people like you and like me, you are Indian and I'm Bangladeshi. We are learning English from very childhood, our very childhood. So that time we can't try to speak in English in front
mhm,
others people. So that's the main
mhm,
problem. So if we speak fluently from our childhood, that time you
mhm,
won't feel this type of problem. So this
mm,
is the main problem. While you will practice more, you will be fluent within short time.
mm. That's great. That's great. So,
And
I'm Bengali. So,
yeah,
there are many Bengali. So, when I talk in English, so they are laughing. Why are you talking English? You talk Bengali. That's the reason. You know, talking
yeah,
time,
yeah.
talking time,
Actually, Bengali people are very much
talking.
egoist to others because when you will
Mm-hmm,
speak English,
mm-hmm,
that time others
mm-hmm,
people try to shut down you.
mm-hmm.
This is the
That's
main
right.
problem.
That's right.
So for that's why we can't get our fluency and we feel
Mm-hmm,
shy, we feel used of hesitation to speak others because someone pulling you behind.
mm-hmm,
Get it? Nobody
mm-hmm.
push you.
I see. I see.
Nobody push you to go forward. So this is the main problem, and it's the habit of Bengali speaking people.
Mm-hmm. I like the way you teach. You're very. Your English is great, bro.
Thank you so much. Not
Are you
great, but
teach? Are you teacher or are you teacher somebody?
oh, actually, I will tell you about my life next time.
I know that, but your English is good. Mm,
But I'm still improving my English skill. I'm
mm,
not a good speaker, but I know many things about English. But my speaking is not so good because I couldn't get much time to practice with others. So this
ah,
is the problem.
that's this is the problem.
You told me
Same
you
problem.
can't.
Same problem. Yeah.
Yeah, you already told me you can't arrange proper word, proper time. So this is one kind of problem. And you can't make proper sentence construction, proper time.
Mhm,
So this is one kind of problem. You know everything. What
mhm,
should you need to use? But after making mistake, you
mhm,
recognize it. isn't it?
Mm,
I have gotten
mm,
mistake.
I see. Yes. Mm, mm,
So this problem, I I completely believe that when you will speak more and more, and when you will speak loudly with others,
mm,
where you are in right now, it's Saudi Arabia. I think there are more people speaking English, so you
mm.
just need to speak
Need to
English.
use, need to sentence.
Yeah, definitely.
Mm.
So
No need more sentence. No need, maybe work, cook, waiter, nurse, doctor. They are no sentence. Already know what I say. Mm.
yeah, actually,
There
who
is.
knows English? Actually, who knows English? They will be able to your expression when you will utter a single word. They will be able to understand you because
Mm,
that's their native language, or they are used to speak on this language. So that's why when you will pronounce a single word, they will be able to understand it. Because, for example, I can say that, such as you go to a hotel and you just call to waiter rice.
mhm,
They will
mm,
offer you, you will take rice.
mm,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Your picture has been froze.
Con- Just
Hello.
carry on. Just carry on. I can hear you. Just carry on.
So in Bengali, if we told you, uh, okay, can I use one or two sentences in Bengali? Okay, it will be
Mhm,
easy for you. ধরুন
mm,
আপনি একটি হোটেলে গেছেন, কিংবা বিদেশ থেকে একজন, আপনি একটা হোটেলের মালিক, খাবার হোটেলের মালিক, বিদেশ থেকে একজন এসেছেন আপনার হোটেলে, এসে বলতেছেন রাইস।
mhm,
রাইস বললে আপনি কি বুঝবেন? যে সে ভাত খেতে চাচ্ছে, isn't it?
mhm. Yeah,
So,
yeah, yeah.
কারণ আপনি বাংলা ভাষাটা আপনার মাতৃভাষা, আর বাংলা ভাষাটা মাতৃভাষার কারণে আপনি ও একটা ওয়ার্ড বলাতেই কিন্তু আপনি বুঝে গেছেন। So
Mhm.
in that situation, when a native speaker speak in English, that time when you will
English.
use a single word, they
Mhm,
will be able to understand your expression. What do you want? Get it?
mhm. I got it. I got it.
So
Mm,
this is the softness. This is the easiest way for us to use sign language. Do you know sign
mhm.
language?
What's that?
A sign language actually,
I don't know
to
about that.
you don't know?
I don't know about that. Could you please tell me something?
Actually, in Bengali we can ইশারায় কথা বলা.
Oh,
That is called sign language.
science language, huh?
Sign, not science, sign language. Sign
Sign,
language. Yeah,
sign language.
sign.
Thank you for. Mm,
So this is one kind of language you can use when you will be completely unable to understand others people language. This is the only one way to use sign language. And most probably, just I am talking everything. What do you think? How may a learner improve uh, his or her English fluency? Could you tell me about it? Something?
Mm, I'm understood what I say. You are speaking English. I think you are speaking English very good. Mm, so I don't talk every day. That's a problem for me. But my what I say, but I know how to mask coat, need suit, but I don't make it sentence.
Do you have basic grammar knowledge?
Grammar. No, but
Yeah.
I read. I have read spoken spoken book. But grammar just read mobile,
That's it. You no
not
need to
books.
see, no need to learn grammar books because grammar is not important to speaking English. So that if you know something or if you know just basic grammar, that will really help you to speak in English fluently because some of
Basic
sentence
basic grammar.
basic grammar, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
not the whole part of grammar, but
Mm-hmm.
only just basic grammar because you are not a native speaker and you in your area around of you there are no more people who always speak in English, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. I
So
got it.
that's why
That's a
that's why
problem.
that's why when you will be able to learn something from basic grammar books, that time
Mm.
it will be more helpful for you to speak and to construct making sentence very easily.
Mm-hmm. I got it. I'm understood, bro. Okay,
So I okay, carry on.
you
Go
can,
ahead.
hmm, you send your YouTube channel. Then I suggest my friends.
Yeah, I will send you my YouTube channel name.
Mm. Mm.
Okay, just a minute. Yeah, you just search to copy it.
Okay, one thing. আমরা যেমনি বাংলাতে কথা বলি আপনি তুমি ইংলিশে কি এরকম আছে কিছু
No, no, no,
আমার এইটুকুই আমার
no, no.
এইটুতে বেশি ভয় লাগে কোনো সময় ডাক্তারদের সঙ্গে কথা বলতে হয় তো আমার মনে হয় যে একটু যেতে তু তুকারের মতো হয়ে যায়
No.
সেভাবেই আমরা কথা বলি
There are no other word like Bengali language. We always can you. Everyone can call you. This is the language of English.